New warning.
Northern Hyde County in central South Dakota. Southwestern Brown County in northeastern South Dakota. Clark County in north central South Dakota. Southeastern Potter County in north central South Dakota. Northwestern Spink County in northeastern South Dakota. Until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Orient, or 8 miles southwest of Falkton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 80 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
80?
Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Crispard, Devo, Chelsea, South Scatterwood Lake, Northville, North Scatterwood Lake, Millette, Mansfield, and Warner. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like winds expected.